So we welcome onto the flight line for the first time this weekend. Shane is going to be flying this wonderful 42% Cosmic Wind. Shane Dunkley, I say a big DLE 120 up front. This is running a 24x16 men's prop, 98-inch wingspan, 17 kilograms. Fully composite, own design and painted by himself, Shane. The Cosmic Wind, let's enjoy this. From the left-hand side, come on Shane. Beautiful aeroplane, wonderful, yes. That tanks along, doesn't it? Come on, have a listen to this, come on. Listen to this. Cosmic Wind inverted! Full power, Shane with the Cosmic Wind, the lovely red Cosmic Wind inverted, right to left. Another reverted pass, left to right this time. How low can you go, Shane? That's quite low. What are you going to do touch and go then, Shane? From a wonderful era of aviation, the Cosmic Wind, designed in the 1930s for the application of the Reno race, of course in Nevada. And this particular example has been built and designed and painted by our friend Shane flying with a DLE 120, lovely sounding aeroplane. Is the real one in Cosford, the full size? Yeah, good. So down at the RAF Museum in Cosford, just down the road, you can see the 25th anniversary of the Weston Park Air Show International. Shane Dunkley with the wonderfully beautiful Cosmic Wind. And we wave back. All right, time to kick the tires and light the fire, baby daddy. Hooter daddy, I should say. Hooter daddy. Listen to the sound. Beautiful. I tell you what, the sound of the vibrations of that, you can feel it in your bones. Imagine standing next to the full-size one of these things. My goodness. I'm going to give a takeaway off. Yes, we give a round of applause to Shane. Come on, Shane. Beautiful aeroplane. Wonderful. Yes. Another reverted pass, left to right this time. How low can you go, Shane? That's quite low. Are you going to do touch and go then, Shane?